Hello friend, this is James from MKE Centrifuge factory from China. And today I want to introduce our low-speed machine, model number TD4 to you. This is low-speed and small size and lightweight centrifuge with low noise and is the first choice instrument for small volume separation in hospital and laboratory, university, and beauty clinic. And now let's focus on our angle rotor. As you can see, these are 12 centrifuge tubes, and one tube capacity is 5 to 50 millimeter. If you are interested in this machine or other centrifuge, welcome feel free to connect me. Thanks for watching.